In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your cryptocurrency profits. So whatever cryptocurrency you have bought on Coinbase, which is the example I'm going to use, you will see your total balance up here, and then underneath your assets, you will see everything that you have purchased. So in this example, I only have a little bit of Bitcoin to show you. So if I wanted to sell Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, I can just go to the top right-hand side here, click the buy sell button. I now want to sell. And then I need to go to the asset here under the sell here. I can click whichever asset that I do want to sell. It will give you the list here. In this example, again, I'm just going to use Bitcoin, and this is going to send straight to my GBP wallet. So I'm going to send all of it. It will come up with the fee and the whole transaction itself. I click sell now. Give it a moment to finish the transaction. And there you go. I've successfully sold that amount of Bitcoin. And then I can click this to view the transaction, or I can just click away. My portfolio balance is 0 for cryptocurrency. But if I scroll down, I have minus all the fees. I have some British pounds there. Now, if I were to click on the 3 dots on the right-hand side of that, I can cash out. So if I click cash out, I can click cash out all. And so £7.94 is going to be cashed out straight to my bank account. I click continue. And then I can literally just press the bank account that I want to cash out to, and then just press continue. And then it cashes out to my bank account. And that is a quick and effective way of withdrawing your cryptocurrency from Coinbase.